guys, it's Makeup by Mai, and hey guys, it's Mai. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I made a YouTube video. Today is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to chit-chat about what I've been doing, and I really want to review this Marcelle face powder that I got last night at Shoppers. So, I know I can talk quite a bit. I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you watch to the end. I hope you like this video down below, and I also hope you subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting out, but I really want to commit to posting weekly videos. Right now I'm posting almost every day on Instagram, like makeup looks, just a picture a day anyways. I just want to stay active. You can follow me on all my social medias. I'll put them somewhere, and you can also click down in the description box for this video. So let's just get right into this video because I want to start doing my makeup. Okay, so I tried zooming in a little bit. I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I don't think you guys have to be super close up in my face. So I'm starting off just using like a primer. This is not like a tutorial, but I'm just gonna kind of say what I'm doing, I guess. Just rub that on my face. And I'm just putting foundation on. I use this because it's just flat, I don't know. So, it's really cold too. This thing is like huge. Like, I don't know if you've seen the butter bronzer. This guy is like, could just fit right inside there. Like, holy moly. Like, holy moly.
Like, holy moly.
And I'm so excited. This is like probably my favorite part of doing my makeup. I have a huge fuzzy. That is so disappointing. Okay, I'm just gonna set my under eye. I picked up a lot. I do that. I'm gonna roll with it. Roll with it. Picks up more anyways. My camera died when I was in the middle of setting my face. I didn't realize, and till my camera just like completely shut off, and then made a noise. So I put it on charge for a few minutes. Hopefully I can get to the end of the video. I'm really hoping. I set my face with the Marcelle setting powder. I just want to tell you guys that it is so soft. I baked heavily. I'm sure you don't have to bake that heavily. I'm actually going to dust it off now because I've been baking probably for too long, but I don't care. But right now I think I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I don't know what kind of eye look I want to go for today. I really don't. I'm just winging it. I'm using this Kyo brush. That's a brand from Shoppers. I don't know if it's sold anywhere else. I'm going to go in with Pooter. I really like Pooter. I'm going to show it to you guys close in the camera. That's this one here. I just think it is like, it's a darker color. Like, it's like nice if you're going in for like a smoky eye, but you want to go like kind of darker. So it has like a really nice transition color. Like, I don't know if it's if I was going for like a natural look, I don't know if I would go this dark. But when I just look at all her colors, this one just looks like the one I just want to I just want that one. So that's the transition color. I'm going to use a smaller brush now. I have so many brushes, but I always use the same ones. Where's my little one? Okay. I'm going to go in with another color I already use a lot, and I already know the color. It is Jax. I love this. It's like This one right here, it is just, I became an auntie. None of my brothers and sisters have kids. My sister just had a baby this year, so now she has a kid. And her name is Malia. Oh, I said this year, I mean 2017, so not this year. 2018 now. But, oh my god, she's the cutest little thing. She grows so much. She changes like every day. I'm gonna go in with this color, which I always use. It's called Hunts. It's the one just above Jack's. So I am just going with something I always do because I just wanna be me. Just kidding. I just think they blend so good, and when you know you can get a good eye look with something, you just go with it. I'm just grabbing a little bit of concealer. Hopefully this will work. I feel like my boyfriend is just coming home on the snowmobile, and I really didn't want him to when I was filming. So that's blended out, and it looks pretty good. I used Queen, because I am, just kidding, but not really. I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit more because I was a little bit too cocky and it doesn't look that great. I'm gonna, I think, move on to do some contour. I don't know if you can see my dog in the background. She's on the couch. I'm gonna use this NYX Love Contours All Pot. All done. I think I'm gonna add some blush. I haven't added blush in forever. Oh, and I totally forgot bronzer, but I'm gonna put on blush first. Do you guys use blush every time? Like, what do you guys think about blush? I don't use it every day. I don't really think I use it, like, at all. Like, I do use it. Like, I don't want to, but, like, I just decide, ooh, I'm gonna be blushy today. I don't know. It's actually kind of cute. I put a little bit more than I usually do. I feel like I always feel like it's more than I'm used to because I really just don't use blush. So I'm going to use my butter bronzer. I love it. I just gotta smell it every time. I just want, like, literally, I just used the same brush. I did not want to do that. Ugh. Maisha. I wanted this one. And I like to highlight, like, more to the end. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go back to this Marcelle setting powder, just get it all out there. I'm gonna carve out my cheek with this. I want this to match, so I'm gonna go right here. And then I'm gonna go back in with this Beauty Blender and just, I wanna clean up this. Oh, sorry. I put my nose like that, and I'm gonna just, okay, and I'm gonna let that just set a little bit. I am in love with this powder. Like, I'm gonna see how it wears today, but I don't think my makeup has ever looked better. Like, I haven't even added my rose water spray, and it's like, just looks so good. I gotta finish the under eye, so I'm gonna go back to the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to go in with Hunts again, that burgundy color under my eye. I went ahead and I added that burgundy color to both sides, and then I added that orangey color underneath and blended it out. But I'm going to highlight now, and I want to know about your 2018 goals, guys. What do you have in store for this year? What is something that you want to accomplish? Do you want to get better grades? Do you want to dress more out of your comfort zone? Do you want to get more active, get more healthy, watch more YouTube videos? I don't know. What do you want? So I popped on some lashes, and now I'm just going to put on some lipstick. Can we just take a minute to admire these cuties? This is Lola. Say hi, Lola. And this is Lou. Lou's a pretty dog. Oh, she's putting her paw up. Big yawn. Go. She keeps putting her paw up. Well, I just want to say thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you guys next Monday. I want to post every Monday. And I hope you guys like this makeup look. It was just to get ready with me, but next week I hope I can do a tutorial. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yeah, comment your 2018 goals. Bye guys.